Today we're going to learn about the spinal cord and which tracts go where. So first of all, we need to draw the main structure of the spinal cord. This is an oval shape with a crevice at the front, and this is the anterior median fissure. And then we need to draw a butterfly shape. This is what separates the grey matter and the white matter. And then here at the back we draw the posterior median sulcus. And here we have the posterior grey horn, the lateral grey horn and the anterior grey horn. Next we're going to add in the arteries. So posteriorly we have two arteries, the posterior spinal arteries. And anteriorly we have one. This is the anterior spinal artery. The anterior spinal artery supplies 2/3 of the spinal cord, and the two posterior spinal arteries supply 1. Next we're going to draw 4 lines in the grey matter. These depict the different areas for nuclei. So here we have somatic sensory nuclei, and then visceral sensory nuclei. And then anteriorly we have visceral motor nuclei and somatic motor nuclei. Next we're going to draw a diagonal line from the centre of the butterfly, and this separates the dorsal columns. The medial one is fasciculus gracilis and the lateral one is fasciculus cuneatus. Next we're going to draw the main section. So we start by drawing along the edge of the spinal cord. So start with 2 large and then 2 small. We're going to learn this like a map so that you can label them. So first of all, learn how to draw it, then learn how to label it. This is a posterior spinocerebellar tract, and this is the anterior spinocerebellar tract. Here we have spino-olivo and olivospinal. Often tracts come in pairs, one ascending and one descending. Next we're going to draw a large tract here. This one is the anterior spinothalamic tract, and then a small one, the tectospinal tract, and then another large one along the edge here that represents the anterior corticospinal tract. Next we're going to add in another little one here. This is spinotectal, so this is another pair, so we'll colour that one in. And then we're going to add in the smaller one here and a larger one here, and this one here is vestibulospinal, and this one here is the medial reticulospinal tract. And next we've got 4 more to add. So here we have one that we colour in. This one is the lateral spinothalamic tract, and then we have 3 more posteriorly. That one's quite big, that one's quite small. So this is the lateral corticospinal tract. So lateral corticospinal, anterior corticospinal, that's a pair. This is the lateral reticulospinal tract. So again, these are the reticulospinal tract pairs. And then we have the rubrospinal